me why I sound like this, with a 6-string growl and a hammer fist twist. Why I talk back when I should be.
Hello and welcome to Sawyer Outdoors. Today I'm going to be testing my mini bike top speed because I only did this on a short and it wasn't really specific. So right here my dirt bike is a GMB 100 by FRP, and this thing is pretty fast. So I want to see the top speed on this thing. So that's what we're going to test today. It's just going to be a quick little video. So if you have one of these, definitely try your top speed, and if it's not as fast as mine, then I'm going to show you the modifications that I did to it. So right here I have this throttle cable here, and then if you look a little bit further back right here, that's where a screw should be, but remove that screw because it makes this thing only go so far. This is the throttle. Also, this cable right here, if it gets loose, tie some zip ties and then push them down to make the throttle stay nice and tight. So yeah, anyways, let's get to trying this top speed thing out, and I'm gonna give you guys a first person view so that you guys can see clearly. Alright guys, we're going to go over onto the road and then we're going to do this top speed test. We're going to go as fast as we can, and we're not going to use the throttle cable. We're going to use the actual throttle resource where you push down the throttle and it will actually go its full speed. So that's what we're going to do. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's get to the end of the lane real quick. Oh man, that thing is definitely fast. Yeah, okay. That was a lot faster than I thought it was gone. This thing actually went 40.26 miles per hour. That is fast. So the top speed usually is around 28 miles an hour for the stock version. But if you want to ramp this thing up, do what I did, and it costs no money whatsoever. But yeah, definitely go ahead and upgrade to those things that I told you guys earlier. And this thing went 40.26 miles an hour. So that is like more than 10 miles an hour faster than stock version. So without further ado, let's do test speed number 2. Let's see if we can get it any faster, because that was sort of uphill, and because as you guys can see right down there, it's a little hill. So this time we're gonna be going downhill, and now we're gonna see how fast it can go downhill. Pretty sure it'll go faster. 3, 2, 1. Okay, one thing I just noticed is that this thing has a gutter, So that means it won't go as fast as the toppest or the highest speed that it can go. You have to go in the engine and everything to get to the actual gutter, which will make it go as fast as it can. But that can cause engine failures after time, such as it exploding. So yeah, don't want to do that. I don't recommend it. I haven't done it, and I probably never will. If I'm giving a review on this thing, I do have to say this back tire right here, as you can see, is pretty worn compared to that tire right in there. And I've replaced, I'm not gonna lie, FRP, don't call me out on this. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. It's just my own thoughts and opinions. But that tire I've replaced about 5 times. I think, yeah, 5 times I've replaced that tire. And I just got that one a few months ago, and it's already starting to wear down. So I do understand this is a gravel road, but still, it shouldn't wear down that quick. That speed was actually faster. It was 41.13 miles per hour. Guys, come on, that's actually pretty cool. I think that's a pretty good speed. But yeah, you guys, anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and I hope y'all enjoyed this speed test. Anyway, I'll see y'all on the next episode.